Welcome to my channel CodeWithMakrem. Today's video is all about learning how to upload images with Node.js, Express, Multer, and Angular. This is a very common feature in modern web applications, and I'll show you step by step how to make it work. First, let's take a look at the Node.js API that I already prepared. I installed some essential packages like Express, CORS, .env, Sequelize with MySQL, UUID, and of course Multer for handling file uploads. As you can see here in the project structure, I have separate folders for controllers, models, and routes, which keeps the project clean and easy to maintain. Inside the user controller, I set up Multer for file storage. I also created an images folder where all the uploaded files will be stored. And I also added a filter to only allow valid image formats like JPEG, PNG, or GIF. The create user function accepts a username, email, and password. And if an image is uploaded, it saves the file path as the profile photo. Finally, it creates a new user record in the database using Sequelize roots. In the roots file, I created a /create user endpoint. This root first uses the Multer middleware to upload the image, and then it calls the controller function to save the user data. And finally, in my server.js file, I configured the server with CORS, enabled JSON parsing, and exposed the images folder so that uploaded files can be accessed later. The application runs on port 8080, and the database is connected with Sequelize. So now our backend is ready. Before moving to Angular, let's quickly test the API. I'm going to use Apidog, but you can also use Postman if you prefer. First, we select the post method and enter the endpoint URL, http://localhost:8080/API/users/create-user. Next, we go to the body tab and choose form data. Here we need to provide the fields that match our user model: username, email, password. And finally, for the profile picture, we add a field named photo profile and upload an image file. Once everything is filled in, we click on send. As you can see, the request is successful. A new user is created, the image is saved in the images folder, and the database also stores the file path. So our upload functionality works perfectly. The backend can now receive form data, create users, and store images with their path. In the next part, we'll connect this to our Angular frontend so users can upload directly from a form. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you won't miss tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching Code with Makrem, and I'll see you in the next one.